Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check login activity on Snapchat. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Snapchat application. Then tap on the Bitmoji profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen. And then tap on Save Login Info. Now you'll be able to see a list of all the devices that have access to your account. And this is how you can check login activity on Snapchat. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.